Hey lovies, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be coming to you guys with this 90s inspired half up half down hair tutorial. So this is on 100% my natural hair, but you can of course try to do this if you guys have like lace fronts or whatever the case is. This is going to be like my usual style video, so I'm going to be like speeding through it and just letting you guys watch how I achieve this style. But let me know what you guys think about that. I usually say I'm more of a visual person, so I don't know, y'all don't really be telling me much, but I hope you guys got some good tips and tricks. And I mean, this style is pretty simple. This style usually will probably take you no more than like 20 minutes, I would say, but because like this is my first time doing it and I'm kind of like a perfectionist, it took me like probably like 30 minutes. But yeah, this is my first time doing it. My hair was really dirty, so also excuse that. But I feel like styles, not silk press styles, are better when your hair is like older. But I don't know, that might just be me. Hopefully it was easy to follow through this video. Let me know if you guys have any questions down below. Please interact with me in the comments down below. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my outro.
I just like the sound of it.
Love you, Benji.
Damn, nigga, we don't take L's.
Okay guys, so that completes this half up half down hair tutorial. This is actually my first time trying to do this look, like the half up half down thing. So let me know what you guys think down below. Be sure to let me know if you're gonna like try this out on your natural hair or any type of hair, really doesn't matter. Just let me know. Let me know if you guys did enjoy this video. Be sure to give me a like, comment, and subscribe down below, and I hope to see you guys in my next video.